In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your YouTube channel. Adding an admin or channel manager is really helpful when you want someone else to help run your channel without giving them your password. They can help you upload videos, manage comments, and view analytics while you still stay in control as the primary owner. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in with the account that actually owns the channel you want to manage. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check in the top right corner that you're on the correct one. Once you're on YouTube, look to the top right and click on your profile picture. This opens a menu with several options related to your account and your channels. From that menu, click on YouTube Studio. This will take you to the Creator dashboard, which is where you manage everything related to your channel. Videos, playlists, analytics, comments, and in this case, permissions. On the left-hand side of YouTube Studio, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll down to the bottom of that menu and click on Settings. A new window will pop up with different categories like General, Channel, and so on. In this Settings window, click on the section labeled Permissions. This is where you control who has access to your channel and what they're allowed to do. Inside the Permissions area, look for the button that says Invite and click it. This will open a small form where you can add someone new. You'll see a field where you can type an email address. Click into that email field and carefully type the email of the person you want to make an admin. Make sure it's the same email they use for their Google account, otherwise they won't receive the invitation properly. Next, you'll see an access drop-down. Click on this drop-down to choose the role you want to give them. Different roles have different levels of control over your channel. From the list of roles, click on Manager. This is the role that gives them admin level access, allowing them to help you manage most aspects of the channel without making them the owner. Once you've selected Manager and confirmed the email is correct, click on Done. This sends the invitation to that person's email. They'll need to accept the invite before they appear as an admin on your channel, and you can always come back to the permissions section later to change or remove their access if needed.